Verifying your identity on Boss Revolution is essential for ensuring secure transactions. If your initial verification attempt fails, follow these steps to successfully verify your identity. Step 1. Check your information. Make sure that all the personal information you provided matches the details on your official identification documents. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. Step 2. Use valid identification. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Asherk to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Resubmit your verification. Log back into your Boss Revolution account and navigate to the verification section. Carefully re-enter your information and upload the required identification documents as prompted. Step 4. Contact customer support. If verification still fails, reach out to Boss Revolution customer support. Provide them with details of your issue and any relevant documentation to assist in resolving the problem. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your verification again or contacting support, keep an eye on your email for updates. Be sure to check your spam folder as well, as important messages may sometimes be filtered there. By following these steps, you can successfully navigate the identity verification process on Boss Revolution. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek assistance from customer support.